All right, well, let's let this one go out to all the servicemen and women that are working in the field and the ones that are going back to Iraq now. And we think about them every day and we pray for them every day. This one's called "I'll Remember You, Love, in My Prayers." When the curtains of heaven are pinned back by the stars and the beautiful moon sweeps the sky, when the dewdrops of heaven are kissing the rose, it's there that my memories fly. Sing it with us. Go where you will. Go where you will. Come on land or on sea. I'll share all your sorrows and cares and nights. At night when I by my bedside to pray, I remember you, love, in my prayers. Upon the wings of a beautiful dove, I'll tell this message of cheer. I'll send you a kiss for affection's sake. I remember you, love, in my prayers. Sing it. Go where you will, on land or on sea. I'll share all your sorrows and cares. At night when I kneel by my bedside to pray, I remember you, love, in my prayers. Of heaven are guarding the gates, as God has ordained them to do, as an answer to prayer that I offer Him. Well, I know there's one waiting for you. Go where you will, on land or on sea. I'll share all your sorrows and cares. At night when I kneel by my bedside to pray, I remember you, love, in my prayers. Well, at night when I kneel by my bedside to pray, I remember you, love, in my prayers.
That's the music camp instructors.